Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to empty the dustbin and replace the dust bag in DJI ROMO robot. So this device contains both the dustbin and the dust bag, and the dustbin can be basically emptied in two different methods. The first one is via an app, and it's just gonna empty it into the dust bag, and the second one is emptying it manually. So in the app, if you'd like to do it, you'll need to click on the device settings in bottom left corner, then click on collect dust, and it's gonna collect it into the bag. Now if you want to do it manually, simply get the device out of the charging base, rotate it. You need to look on the back of the device, and on the back of the device there is this handle. Flip it like that, and then take the dustbin out. Now you'll need to open this part. In order to do it, press here and move it up like that. Then press on this orange button. Now take the filter out, and there's gonna be your dust. You can collect it, you can throw it out, of course. And then put the filter in, close this door, and now you can slide the dustbin back in. Now, in order to collect to replace your dust bag, you will need to open the door right here. Now you'll see your dust bag. Here it is. If you wish to replace it, hold on this gray thing, pull it forward, and just keep pulling. I believe it should already go out. Okay,
Dust bag removed.
Now it is removed, and you can simply replace it with another one. Just slide it back in. Okay, I failed. Let's try again. Let's place it correctly this time.
Dust bag installed.
And push this sliding part in, and now the dust bag is back in. Let's close the door, and that's it. I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.